Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today, whoa, today I am unboxing my Sacred Space Crate for April 2022. It is late, I know, but better late than never. So let's, oops, I forgot to open the sides. I thought I had opened it all up, but just a little bit. Okay, let's check it out. There we go. The Sacred Love Box. Interesting. Alright. So I'll put this aside. Ooh, it smells cinnamony. Alright, interesting. That's the moon calendar. Every month you usually get this box right at the beginning of the month. So you kind of watch the moon calendar and it helps you, plan your astrological time. Love the paper. Curated with love. Very nice. Lovely touch. Beautiful smoke wand right on top with these, looks like rose petals. Very nice. Lovely. Good size. Have my bag here for Dearly Bob. All right. We have some beautiful incense. It says passion. And this smells like delicious cinnamon, which is a good love and attraction and lust. I mean, cinnamon's really good for a lot of work. All right, we got a love potion ritual tea. Looks very lovely. Ingredients are right here. Nice size package. We've got a bracelet. It is lava and kunzite. Pretty little, like, infinity right there. Stretchy. Very nice. All right. We've got a crystal. Let us see. And it looks like amethyst to me, but I could be wrong. We've got a lovely salve. Ooh, it's rose hips. It's the name of the salve. Tells you what it does, ingredients. And then when you open it, salves are usually pretty plain, which is good. You don't want a whole bunch of gunk in your medicine. Here's our herb. Looks like it's rose hips. Good source of vitamin C. We've got a bath for the goddesses. Very cool. Tells you the ingredients here. Dead sea salt, rose petals, jasmine buds, lavender, and rose essential oil. And then we have rose water. Lovely. Beauty and Love Ritual Spray. Rose water is really good for your skin as well. Let me go ahead and empty this box and get it out of the way really quick. Trying to keep everything tidy as I go. And I can move, oops, oh, I'm so sorry. Move all of these items up so you can see everything in the frame. All right, this looks like a figure candle, which are really cool if you haven't used one before. Ooh, trying to find the end here. And it's actually, I'm going to have to cut it. Oh, look at this. Yes, it's a female figure. It's pink. Lots of different uses for this kind of candle. Keep her there, keep her safe. And then we've got this package here. Let's see what it is. Oh, super cool. So a glass water bottle. Nice. With a koozie. Oh, wow. Very cool. Ooh, I don't want to... Let's not spill everything everywhere. You could even, you know, possibly, it comes open. You could change it out if you wanted to. That'd be really cool. Just be super... Oh, well, actually, no. You don't have to be super, super careful because it looks like there is glass separating. You know, people sometimes get a little bit too overzealous and put crystals in herbs that should not, or crystals and herbs in their water that they should not be drinking. But this is really nice. And the compartment's separate from the water, so you still get the energy, but not any potential danger. All right. It's embedded in our nature to love and have a desire to be loved. Love is a relationship between two energies, whether it be love we receive from our family, friends, and our significant other. For that relationship to be healthy and fulfilling, you must have an even healthier relationship with yourself. Therefore, self-love is the most sacred love in your life. Self-love and alone time are essential. You must love and appreciate yourself before you can love someone else in a healthy manner. When you treat yourself well and have love, respect, and appreciation for yourself, it sets the tone for how your partner should treat you as well. When you hold yourself in high esteem, you're more likely to choose things that nurture your well-being and serve you well. These things may be in the form of healthy eating, exercising, or having healthy relationships. You express your love for yourself by doing things that help you show up in life as the best version of you. Practicing self-love will not only improve your physical and mental health, but it will empower you in your practice as well. You will be able to manifest beyond your expectations because you are stronger in your belief in yourself and can see clearly what it is that your heart truly desires. Your spell crafting will improve as well for the same reasons. As you have probably figured out by now, is that my theme for this year is all about improvement. I want to hit on many facades in our lives that we will improve throughout 2022. I think I misread that. Many facets in our lives. Self-love is probably the one I should have started the calendar year with, as it is probably the most important and the ground floor of which to build upon. I challenge you to practice self-love this month. It is never selfish to spend time loving on yourself. Your body, mind, and spirit needs this from you. You are beautiful, so let that beauty shine. The items in this box are curated to give tools to use the month as you practice self-love. So the bamboo crystal water bottle. Drinking water charged with crystals in the bottom chamber. Filled with rose quartz to remind you to focus on self-love, but you can interchange them with your own collection. Perfect for making full moon water, but remember that you can make moon water during any phase of the moon. It's made from real bamboo and glass. It comes with a protective koozie for its own safety. Make sure you wash your bottle and let it air dry for at least a day before using. It has a chemical spell because it is freshly made and didn't get enough time to air out before shipping to you. Self-love body candle. Figure or image candles were created to symbolize a person or condition in spiritual workings. Like voodoo dolls or puppets, they use sympathetic magic to aid in spell casting. Use this candle to represent yourself. Dress it with your perfume, hair strand, write your name on it, or anything that you feel represents yourself. Surround it with herbs that you are drawn to, or herbs that represent what you want to manifest. Or just surround with rose hips and rose petals for magnifying self-love and place it on your altar or sacred space. There are so many ways that you can use this candle in your practice. Here is a self-love ritual that I included in the Aphrodite box 2 years ago, but it's so effective that I am including it here so you could use it if you're drawn to. Has it been 2 years? Because I'm pretty sure I got that Aphrodite box. A bath for the goddesses. This bath ritual is an offering for all those powerful and beautiful goddesses that live inside of you. Dead sea salt filled with rose petal, jasmine buds, lavender, and rose essential oil. Rose hips in a jar. And it just, lots of information about rose hips and the correspondences. Rose water spray. Opens your heart chakra and third eye to a clearer sense of self. It's wonderful and loving to your skin. Help reduce headaches, ease anxiety, and generally elevate your mood. Infinity bracelet with kunzite and lava stones. Kunzite is a beautiful crystal, pure in energy and joyful in nature. It's a stone of emotion, opening and connecting the heart to the mind and simulating a healing communion between the two. You can add your essential oils to the lava stone to carry the magic of the oil with you. Super 7 crystal. Oh! Melody stone or sacred stone is an extremely rare mineral with several crystals in one. Amethyst, coxonite, goethite, lepidocrosite, rutile, smoky quartz, and quartz, which all the minerals are usually naturally encased in. Interesting. Look at it in the sun. Wow. Interesting. Nice. Super 7 is the key ingredient to accessing the spiritual realm and unlocking the knowledge and ancient beings within. Sage and rose petal smoke bundle and love potion tea. Rose petals and buds, rose hips, damiana, jasmine buds, chamomile, lavender, passion flower, red raspberry leaves, and lots of love. Very cool. And then passion incense sticks. It's cinnamon, musk, and vanilla bean. It smells great. Rose hip salve. I use it for crow's feet around my eyes and on the dry skin patches. It's good for scarring, wrinkles, and anti-aging. It's also used for cut scrapes, dry skin, cuticles, and cracked heels. It also has a little bit of geranium essential oil. And then the moon and the zodiac calendar. So, very cool. I love this box. I love what Melissa creates. Everything is really, really nice, really useful, very much her personal touch. I love it. I really like the idea of this representing yourself, and then you have your, you dress it and you burn it as a ritual to, manifest what you want in yourself. So that's really something that very much intrigued me just now. I'm very interested in that. Quite a bit so, actually. So, love the box. Highly recommend it to you. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys soon.